In this video, we are going to discuss the Compliance Editor version 2.0 and the new features we added to the application. So let's open up a file and show you the changes that have been done to the UI. This is the Compliance Editor 2.0, our newest version. It does have quite a few changes, out of which mainly there is this navigation tree on this side. This is a representation of the file. It shows the structure of the file. For instance, in here, we do have a single interchange with a functional group and a transaction set in it. There are segments, and then there are loops, and those loops got segments in them. And whenever you have an error, it gets added to this tree. So the user can see a visualization of this file, what's there, and where the issues are. Of course, this can actually be collapsed or expanded to the user's desire. And there are also a couple of navigation styles. As an example, this style is called the flat file style, where it chooses the file as a flat structure. And there is also the hierarchical style, where it does have subnodes instead of having everything laid down. In a flat file mode or in a flat navigation mode. And same as usual, we do have in here this panel, which shows the actual file. It breaks down the file with the limiters and highlights the issues. So in here, for instance, it shows there is an issue at this DTP. And in here it says that the minimum lens is 3 and the maximum lens is 3, and it was found to be 2. And the value was also invalid. The value is supposed to be 1. Of those allowed values, it was 0, 0, which is not a valid value in this case. So you get to see this issue. You get to see the compliance errors in 3 places. Whenever you hover over an issue in here, whenever you see it on the actual tree structure, the File Navigator component, and down here, and maximize it. Put it on a different screen. This is all for now. Please watch our next video to learn more about the new Compliance Editor and its new features. Thanks for watching.